Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do the carbon-hydrogen correlation spectrum. Here you may see the proton NMR spectrum is given on one side, and here the carbon NMR spectrum is given on the other side. We will correlate the proton NMR spectrum with the carbon NMR spectrum, and here in Molecular formula is given, and we will do the carbon-hydrogen correlation spectrum, and we will find out the structure of the compound. And first of all, here you may see what is given here. The triplet is given, and the proton is H4. And you may see here the H4 is correlated with the C4, which is H4. And you will see here H4, and this is correlated with the C4, H4, that is H4, and it is correlated with the C4. H4 is correlated with the C4, and this is there. So H4 appears in that red. The selection is fair, and good one is the red fair. So, and this is why close. It means in its label to go up in practice for it. So it's called back and it's like, yeah, facts to it and time. And what they adding the feed element that is doing it is the sun is time, is the Gani, and I will say the carbon, helium, then it almost about adding the CR or yeah, really considers as well. 12. 40 decimal value is here, so it and one the total to 0.9. So it is in this very high possibility that could be the similar a benefit. And it is in its speed. And it will very much clear when we see that this scenario find this stage that is here, but we will find it somehow. But to see this HT group that is correlated with the C3. And now, this is the word the 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6, separate, and it is correlating with the 3, and here the detail value of about 22 detail value, and this is the 22, almost 22 to 24 detail value, and this is in the range of about the 1.4 detail value, 1.4 to 1.5 detail value. And here you may see, that it is very possible that it is the CH2 group. H2 group. Okay. Now this is also a H2 group, and it is correlated with the C2, and its ppm value is say around about 36 ppm value, and it is in the range of about 1.8 ppm value, 1.8 ppm value range, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentat. So it is coming in the range of 1.8 ppm value. So it may be highly possible that it is a pentat. So it may be possible here is the CH2 group, and here is also the CH2 group. And for it is the septet. So septet means that here was the CH2 group, and here was on this side CH3 group, and here was the CH2 group, field group, heat or CH3 group, and it was of the Swiss to give a field or a CH2 group. So that's why I got that it in different forms later. So in this very dry, this is still the Venice word also the CH3 is word also confirms. And here you may see that this is this Swiss to book as you know clear that this is the X, and in its neighbor when the CH2. And this was also the CH4. And this is the CH2 book, and here this is also the CH2 book, only the CH3 book is left. Is there any other CH2 group? As you may see here, this is the S1 group and this is united to the C1 group. If it is the CH2 group, then we'll tell separately it find out. As you may see here, this is the particular, so definitely know this is if this is the X, it is related in a CMR with the CH2. If I find this CH2 group and it is this with this X, that is the CMR. So, as sister, get CHC this point, meaning that we also consider DMED selectively. So now, as we see there, this is a mostly located for floating their region and this see in the range of almost 90 index. More coding and dying than and 5 ppm value. So it means that if this is the boundary, that is perfectly the carbon that is directly at area with the I for our respective temperatures is like this pH3, pH2, and CH2 that is attested I. That is the idopropane. 1 idopropane.